In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up permissions and roles in Attio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite teammates and assign the right level of access so your workspace stays organized and secure. First, open Attio and head to the home area of your workspace. This is your starting point and a good way to confirm you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one. From here, look for your company or workspace profile in the sidebar or header. Then go into Workspace Settings. This is the control center for membership, teams, billing, and permissions, so we'll be spending a moment here. Inside Workspace Settings, find Invite Team Members. You might see it directly in the Members and Teams section, or you can use the settings search to jump to it. Click Invite Team Members to open the Invite panel. This feature is the streamlined way to bring colleagues into your workspace. It sends them a secure email invitation, and once they accept, lets you manage their role and access from a single place. No manual account setup or back and forth needed. In the Invite field, type the work email address of each person you want to add. Take a moment to double-check spelling and make sure you're using the correct domain for your organization. If you're inviting multiple people, you can add them one after another to keep things tidy. Clear, accurate invites save time later. When you're ready, click Send Invites. Attio will email the recipients with a link to join your workspace. If someone doesn't see the message right away, remind them to check their spam or filtered folders. You can always return to the members list to see pending invites and resend if necessary. Once an invite has been accepted, open the members list, find the person you just added, and click the dotted menu next to their name to set their role. Choose admin if they need to manage billing, workspace settings, members, teams, permissions, and other workspace-wide controls. Choose member if they only need to work with records and data without changing workspace-wide settings. A quick tip: keep admin access limited to trusted owners or managers, and use member for most contributors. You can update a person's role later if responsibilities change. That's it. Your team is in, and your roles and permissions are set up the right way. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.